In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There is a word of Urdu and Arabic, barkat, barakat, and I did search in English dictionary. It is somewhat probably blessings or something like that. There are households, there are families where there is no barakah. They spend plenty of money, but this money is usually wasted, does not bring the best out of this, does not bring the best out of it. While there are certain other households, certain other families where the money becomes slightly more effective, where the money becomes slightly more effective. Why is it like that? Although the money is same, money is the same. Even amongst the brothers and the sisters, the money does not work with equal efficacy. The efficacy of the money you are carrying varies from person to person, from family to family, even from country to country, from institution to institution. A country like ours probably have no barakah in the money being generated out of taxes, etc. There is no barakah. Why? Because the people who are collecting it and the people who are spending it, even the people who are the beneficiaries of this money, the public upon whom this money is supposed to be spent, there is no barakah on any of these sides. All of these people are, all three categories of the people are not the good managers, having no gratitude, no good management. Returning back to the individuals and to the families, I think and I believe that the money can work more effectively if at all we have better attitudes, if at all we are positive thinkers, if at all we have shunned, if at all we have shunned, we have abandoned, we have shrugged off the complaints and the criticism. Rather, there is a kind of gratitude for each and everyone else. This is how, this is what we need to develop. If at all we do want that the money we are carrying should work with more efficacy, we need to become more positive. We need to become more responsible human being. We need to improve our management. We need to be more careful and cautious while spending the money. And above all, if at all somebody wants me to put it into the very few words, then I shall like to say that unnecessary things should not be done, neither in the beginning nor somewhere in the middle. If at all you have to do it, the best thing is to avoid doing the unnecessary things. The best option is not to spend your money upon the unnecessary things. If at all you remain short of the money, abandon the unnecessary thing. If at all still you want to do it, then at least keep it at excuse me keep it at the end. Unnecessary things should not be done in the beginning, should not be done somewhere in the middle. It must be done at the end, if at all you have to do it. Otherwise it is far better not to do it, and to abandon it, and to throw it all together. Baraka. If at all you want a baraka in your money, I think so, the more positive we are, the more gratefulness we do have, the more better attitudes we do have, the more disciplined we are, the more good managers we are, I think so, the same money will suffice. I'm not suggesting that we shouldn't try to increase our income. We must try to increase our income, and that comes ahead of even the baraka or the better user. Usage of money is also necessary. But since we are during this talk and during this discussion, we are talking on baraka and not on how to maximize the income. Although the generating the better income, although the maximization of the income, that is very much important, and we cannot ignore the importance of it at all. But rather, since we are discussing the baraka here, so that is why we are focused on the baraka only and not on the other things, and returning back to the baraka alone. I think so that these are the good things, very useful thing. Being more disciplined, being more careful and cautious, having better attitude, more positive thinking, and believing that I can do it, and I can do it in a better way. I can do it, and I can do it a better way. Then learning it from the people who are good at managing their money. The people learning it, since all the human being, we, although Allah Rabbul Izzat, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has gifted us with the brain, but still we need to learn from the brain and from the mind of the other people as well. We need to learn from the discoveries of the other people as well. We need to learn from the management of the other people as well. We need to learn from the other people. That is something very necessary, and that is something very essential, which cannot be overlooked. The better usage of money. There are actually two parts. One is to increase your income, on the other hand, to increase the efficacy of the money you are spending. There are two parts of this as far the monetary affairs are concerned. One is to increase your income, to generate more and better income. On the other hand, to increase to increase the efficacy, the effectiveness of the money you are spending it and using it. Rather, I shall like to say that utilizing it in a better and even more better manner. And that is what will makes us a happy human being. That is what will make us a successful human being, and that is what will make us a sort of leader, a sort of person who can teach to other people, and the other people can learn from us as well. It is not complicated at all, and there is a no rocket science here. It is not that much complication at all. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.